mysterious glow in night sky could help scientists watch birth of planets. The phenomenon was spotted by an astronomy enthusiast on social media and can help scientists understand how planets are born. A mysterious glow in the night sky was witnessed by many around the world recently, but now many have been now have been solved by scientists. A blaze of light which stumped researchers for 4 years may have been produced by the collision of two ice giant exoplanets. Can you imagine? These planets could have been around the same size as Neptune and Uranus, the ice giants found in our own solar system. Initial observations by an astronomy enthusiast saw a bright light around a distant star far from the Earth, an estimated 1,800 light years away. New research in the science journal Nature looking at the event hints at just how important the event may be to scientists in understanding how planets come about. The light gradually began to fade after 3 years, and Dr. Matthew Kenworthy, co-author of the paper from Leiden University, Netherlands, said it came as a surprise to researchers in the field. He said in the paper, an astronomer on social media pointed out that the star brightened up in the infrared over 1,000 days before the optical fading. I knew then this was an unusual event, he said. The afterglow was picked up by NASA's NEOWISE mission, which used a space telescope ordinarily reserved for observing and searching for asteroids and comets, and using calculations and computer models based on temperature and size of the birth light, researchers were able to come up with several potential explanations. They say the most likely cause was a collision of two ice giants. If true, the reason the light eventually faded is because a dust cloud moved in front of the star. Telescopes around the world, including James Webb Space Telescope, will make further observations in the next few years, and they may well spot more clouds of dust spreading over the collision site, which telescopes could pick up as a scattering of light. This happens when a collision sends fragments of rocks and ice flying around a star, eventually creating a brightly glowing planetary body. Researchers say that in the future, the material observed circling around the remaining of the collision may condense to form several moons that will orbit the new planet. This sighting offers our first real-time glimpse into the works of giant impacts, collisions between planets, and how systems evolve afterwards, co-lead author Dr. Simon Locke told BBC Science Focus. He said, in effect, we will be able to watch the final stages of the birth of a planet. And this is on Express UK by Joel Day. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.